Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you all are aware that we are discussing MCQs on writing section, notice writing and article writing. In my video dated 5th October 2021, we discussed a few questions on notice writing, and the next video dated 6th October 2021 we discussed MCQs based on article writing. So today once again we are going to discuss a few more questions based on notice writing, as only MCQs will be there in term 1. So that is why we are going to discuss what type of MCQs based on notice writing will be there in your examination. So let me show you the questions on your screen and practice from the screen. Now let's discuss part E. Sushini is the head girl of St. Mary's High School, Hyderabad. She writes a notice regarding the upcoming Vijayadashmi fest. So, which of the following should be essential to answer for the content of the above type of notice? What, when, where, all of the above. So we all know that in notice the information regarding what, when, where is given. So that is why here option D is correct. Now, question 2. Read the following points and select the option which is essential to add in the notices of festival fest. Suitable heading, date, time, venue, signature name, designation, closing compliment, thanking. So in notice, thanking is not required. So here option which is essential. Okay, the question is read the following points and select the option which is essential to add in the notice of festival type. So which is essential? Yeah, date, time and venue. This is very essential to be added. Okay, so more informations are there. So yeah, which type of informations are more than one we have to choose. Suitable heading should be there, date, time, venue should be there, signature and designation information. So only fourth, apart from fourth, all are correct. So 1, 2, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3 and 5, that is C. Which of the following headings will be suitable for this type of notice? So which type of suitable heading? Vijayadashmi festival, Vijayadashmi celebration, a grand fest on Vijayadashmi. So here I would like to go with C. Now, fourth one. Is it necessary to make an appeal to all the students to attend the fest in this kind of event based notices? No, not necessary to make an appeal to all the students. Yes, of course, to some extent it is reasonable to make an appeal. No, it is not compulsory to make any special appeal to all the students. Yes, of course, by all means, because it's students program. So here we will want to go with option A. It is necessary to make an appeal to all the students to attend the fest in this kind of event. So can an appeal be made? Usually appeal is made uh, when something is very urgent, in that case. So here I will go with A, as appeal is not important in such types of notices. Now B. We use this nature of notices in the form of written or printed announcement because they are one of the formal ways to reach a section of people. In the modern age, they are effective means of communication. They reach the people at large in a short time, all of over. Yeah, so we will go with D, that is all the above. Now, sixth one. Now, part F, not sixth one. The head boy girl of the school has to draft a notice about a session to be conducted by the ministry workers for the students of their school on the precautions required for COVID-19. Select the appropriate title for the notice. Session by ministry workers, session on COVID-19, session for students, session on precautions required for COVID-19. The head girl boy of the school has to draft a notice about a session to be conducted by ministry workers for the students of this school on the precautions required for COVID-19. So here I will go with D, session on precautions required for COVID-19. So here D is more appropriate. Now, second one. Select the option that lists the most accurate opening for this notice. Greetings and attention, please, to one and all in the school. This notice is written to share some news with you all about the precautions required for COVID-19. This is to inform all the students about a session which will be conducted on the precautions required for COVID-19. So here I wish to share with all the students about the precautions required for COVID-19. So the most suitable one is C. This is to inform all the students about a session which will be conducted on the precautions required for COVID-19. So here C is most suitable. Select the option with the information points to be included in the body of the notice. Date and time of the session, date and time of the session and venue of the session, topic of the session, all the above. Yeah, so all these points should be included to the notice. So that is why all the above is correct. Should this notice reflect the name of head girl boy? Yes, because they are the person to be conducted. No, because it is understood through the signature. Yes, because it makes it informal. No, because the title makes it clear. So here we will go with the option B. No, because it is understood through the signature. Fifth one, select the appropriate conclusion for this notice. Conclusion: stay informed and connected. For further queries, please contact. Your collaboration solicited. Your participation appreciated. So here B is the most appropriate. That is, for further queries, please contact. Part G. The Secretary of Heritage, Green Valley Towers, Udaipur, has put up a notice to inform the residents about the timings of drinking water supply. What will you write as a heading? Information about water supply, information about timings of water supply, timings in Heritage Green Valley Towers, none of these. So here we would like to go with the B, that is information about timings of water supply. Now second one, what is the most accurate opening of the notice? This is to inform all the residents of Heritage Green Valley Towers that the timings of drinking water supply will be regularized. Attention and greetings to all the residents of Heritage Green Valley Towers. I wish to share with all the residents of the Heritage Green Valley Towers about drinking water supply. This notice is written to share some news. So which one you want to go with? Yes, this is A. This is to inform all the residents of Heritage Green Valley Towers that the timings of drinking water supply will be regularized. Third one, select the option with the information points to be included in the body of the notice. Reason for fixing timings of drinking water supply, timing of drinking water supply, date from which timings of drinking water supply will be changed. All the above. So reason for fixing timing, yeah. Timing of drinking, yeah. So here option D, all the above is correct. Now fourth one, would this notice reflect the name of the secretary, HGVT? Yes, because it is the issuing authority. No, because it is understood through the signature. Yes, because it makes it informal. No, because it makes the title makes it clearer. So we will go with option A. Yes. Here yes, because it is the issuing authority. Select the appropriate conclusion for this notice. Stay informed, collaboration solicited, stay prepared, inconvenience regretted. Yes, so we will go with D, that is inconvenience regretted. Now part H, the cultural secretary of Center for Environment, JNV Malvi, Udaipur, that is Mowgli, Udaipur, has to put up a notice inviting the students of classes 11th and 12th to participate in a workshop to create awareness about environmental concerns. Select the appropriate title for the notice. Environment and its protection, workshop, on awareness about environmental concerns, be eco-friendly, save environment and wildlife. So here B is more appropriate because the notice is about workshop which to be conducted. Second one, the most appropriate opening for this notice is, I herewith submit that I would like to inform that good morning and welcome you all. The students of class 11th are informed that. So here D is correct only. We cannot begin it with A, B and C. The information points to be included in the body of notice are as follows. Planning of the workshop, purpose of the workshop, date of the workshop, timing of the workshop, venue of the workshop, organizers of the workshop. So let's check. Planning of the workshop, it is not important. Purpose of the workshop, yes. Date of the workshop, yes. Timing of the workshop, yes. Venue of the workshop, yes. And organizers of the workshop, yes. So which one? 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is option D. Fourth one, would this notice mention the name of speaker? Yes, it is essential. No, it is optional. Yes, because it creates interest in people. I'm not sure. Here I want to go with the D. If they would know the name of the speaker, so it would attract the people. So that is why I want to go with C. Select the appropriate conclusion for this notice. Everyone should contribute. Everyone should participate. You are requested to attend it. Inform the others. That is, you are requested to attend it. Now part I. The librarian of Maharana Mewar Public School, Udaipur, has to put up a notice informing the students about the International Book Fair being held at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. Choose a suitable title for this notice. Books are friends. Love for reading. Feast your eyes. International Book Fair. So it is International Book Fair. So that is why here the title would be International Book Fair. The librarian of Maharana Mewar Public School, Udaipur, has to put up a notice informing the students about International Book Fair being held at Pragati Maidan. So that is the International Book Fair. Is it essential to mention the titles of the book? Yes, very much essential. No, it is not essential. Yes, it will help people. I'm not sure. So here in international book fair there will be many books, so it is not possible to mention the title of the books, so that is why no, it is not essential. I would like to go with B. What information should the body of this notice contain? Date, time, venue, whom to contact. Yeah, here we will go with all of these. Is it required to mention the fee? Yes, it is required. No, it is optional. Yes, it will help the people. No, it will stop them. So here, yes, it is required. Option A only. Would this notice mention the names of organizers? Yes, it is issuing authority. No, it is optional. No, the details are not available. It is not required. So the names of organizers, organizers are not the issuing body. Yeah, organizers are the issuing body. Yes. So yes, it is issuing authority. J. The Music Club of DAV Public School, New Delhi is organizing an inter-class singing competition. You are the secretary of the music club. The following is the appropriate title for above notice: concert competition, rocking competition, singing competition, melody competition. So that is singing competition, so it should be singing competition. Interested students contact principal of the school, class teacher, in charge of the auditorium, music teacher. So definitely they will be contacting to music teacher. Third one, this is the appropriate beginning of the notice. Interested students are requested to select contestants from each class, music club of our school, competition for classes 9th and 10th. That is the third one, music club of our school. This is the designation of undersigned of the notice: principal, the music club, the class teacher, the secretary, music club. So what is the designation? This is the designation of undersigned, so that is the music secretary of music club should be there. Part K. As a librarian of G.D. Goenka Public School, Udaipur, draft a notice asking the students to return all the library books they have borrowed 2 days before the commencement of the examination should be there, summer vacation, or they would be penalized ₹5 per day. So G.D. Goenka Public School, Udaipur, notice 5th April 2021. So what could be the title here? Select the appropriate title: refund of library books, review of library books, return of library books, re-entry of library. So that is return of library book. We will go with C. Second, select the appropriate option. So that is they are borrowed, they have borrowed, they have returned, they have registered, they have recommended. So let's check. This is to inform to all the students that they must return all the library books they have borrowed. We will go with A. They have borrowed. Select the appropriate option for the third one. Due 8th April. Now third one, the summer vacation is commencing from. The summer vacation is that is we will go with the A. The summer vacation is commencing from. During this time, stock taking exercise has to be undertaken by the library personnel. Students are expected to cooperate. Now fourth one, non-compliance would draw a penalty. Non-compliance withdrawal penalty. Non-compliance would draw a refund. Non-compliance would draw a remuneration. So we will go with A. That is about penalty. Okay. So thus, dear students, we have discussed till part I. The next part we will discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.